Push up against that, and then we take the wrench here and tighten it up. And that's how you build a brake compressor out of scrap metal, or out of scrap piece. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narc Customs. Today we got a little Narc Tech tip. We are going to build a brake piston separator. Hell, I don't even. And hey, just a real quick reason, the reason to do your wife's maintenance on her car is to buy more car parts. I spent $408 on oil and filters and brake rotors for the daily driver, my little daily driver, the Dodge Avenger, and her daily driver, the GMC Acadia. But I snuck in some rotors for the Narc's cart because it needs it really bad. And I saved us money. It had been like $440 or something like that at the dealer to do the front brakes and the oil change on the Acadia. But for $408, I got those in there included. So that's why you do your own maintenance. I hate it again. So anyways, back to the video. All right guys, so we are using our MiG 175 from Eastwood that we do 90% of the welding for what I do out here with it. And basically I'm going to take and weld this nut right on there just like that, and you'll see what it'll do. Alright guys, so here's how it works. That basically pushes the other one around. The best thing about this is this piece, I don't know how you would even find these kind of nuts, but they were in our bucket, so that's what we used. All right guys, here's the cool part. So we take this piece, slide it in here like so. There we go. Okay. Now, here's the neat part. So this nut here spins. Okay. So it'll go right up against the there's a hold up or something, or a barb or something in this thing, and it just does not want to cooperate. And this bolt gets tight on the end because it's too small. And what that does is it allows it to push like that and push up against that. And then we take the wrench here and tighten it up. And that's how you build a brake compressor out of scrap metal, or out of scrap pieces laying around the shop. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support of the channel, and we love for you to subscribe and keep up with everything that's coming. We are giving Narc's card away once the channel hits 1 million views for the whole channel. You can see that number at the About page on our bio up there at the top or whatever. All right, guys, thanks a bunch. I'm out of here.